classification of living world. Many organisms living in the world, so the classification is must. The classification is essential and cloud be done by understanding and comparing the things based on same character. Theophrastus is the first taxonomist of botany, so he is called father of botany. He classified many more plants based on morphological character to classify plants into trees, shrubs and herbs. After Carolus Linnaeus, he is classified living world into two groups, namely plants and animals. On morphological character, his classification major setback because prokaryotes and eukaryotes were grouped together. Similarly, fungi heterotrophic organisms were placed along with photosynthetic plants. So, his classification major setback. After the development, tools and compiled taxonomists look for different areas like cytology, anatomy, embryology, molecular biology, phylogeny. So for classifying organism on earth. So new dimension to classification were put forth from time to time. After five kingdom classification, the five kingdom classification are proposed by R.H. Whittaker, the 1969. The five kingdoms are: one is Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animaliae. These are the five kingdoms. This is Carolus Linnaeus. This is R.H. Whittaker. Next, important one, Gram staining procedure. The Gram staining procedure is proposed by Christian Gram, 1884. This is a type of staining method. Gram staining method to differentiate bacteria was developed by. It is a differential staining procedure and it classification of two classes. One is gram positive, another one is gram negative. The steps involved gram staining procedure, 10 steps are there. 1. The prepares a smear bacterial culture. Next, stain with crystal violet for 30 seconds. Next, rinse in distilled water for 2 seconds. Next, grams iodine for 1 minute. Next, rinse in distilled water. Next, wash in 95% ethanol or acetone for 10 to 30 seconds. Next, rinse in distilled water. Next, saffron in for 30 to 60 seconds. Next, rinse in distilled water and blot. Next, observe under microscope. These 10 steps involved in gram staining. The gram positive bacteria retain crystal violet and appear dark violet, whereas gram negative type lose the crystal violet and when countersigned by saffronin appear red under the microscope. Most of gram positive cell wall contain considerable amount of teichoic acid and telluronic acid. In addition of that may contain polysaccharide molecules. The gram negative cell wall contains 3 compounds that lie outside the peptidoglycan layer. One is lipoprotein, second one is outer membrane, third one is lipopolysaccharide. thus the different result in gram strain are due to difference in structure and composition of cell wall. This the difference between the gram positive and gram negative. This is the differentiation table of gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria. 10 characteristics are there. The first one is cell wall. The cell wall, thick layered gram positive bacteria, thin layered gram negative bacteria. Rigidity of cell wall, rigid due to presence of peptidoglycans, gram positive bacteria. Elastic due to presence of lipoprotein polysaccharide mixture in gram negative bacteria. Chemical composition, peptidoglycan 80%, polysaccharide 20%, teichoic acid present. The gram positive type. The gram negative type, peptidoglycan 3 to 12% present, polysaccharide and lipoprotein and present, teichoic acid absent. Outer membrane, gram positive present, gram negative absent. Periplasmic space, gram positive present, gram negative absent. Susceptibility of penicillin, gram positive highly susceptible. Susceptibility to penicillin, highly susceptible gram positive, low susceptible gram negative. The fourth one is outer membrane. Outer membrane, gram positive absent, gram negative present. Periplasmic space, gram positive absent, gram negative present. Susceptibility to penicillin, gram positive highly susceptible, gram negative low susceptible. Nutritional requirements, gram positive relatively complex, gram negative relatively simple. Flagella, gram positive contain 2 basal body rings, gram negative contain 4 basal body rings. Lipid and lipoprotein, gram positive low, gram negative high. Lipopolysaccharide, gram positive absent, gram negative presence. These are the 10 differentiation in gram positive and gram negative bacteria.